welcome to another video. And today I want to talk about how I manage my time when I have 2 jobs and school and I still have time to train. The question is how and when. And basically everything is about 3 things. It is about strategic planning, that's number 1. Number 2 is daily time management. And number 3 is discipline. When you combine these 3 things, you will find time and you will achieve whatever you want to achieve. But it's not going to be easy. Not at all. Every day, grind never stop. That's what I can tell you from my own experience. So right now I'm going to my first job Monday morning, 5:45 or 5:50 or whatever AM. I'm going to F45 gym to coach 2 sessions, 2 group trainings. After that I will go back home, I will have breakfast and I will talk more about what you can do to manage your time better. See you then. So 2 morning sessions done. Now I can go home, have a breakfast and just chill for 90 minutes, 2 hours. Then I go to my other job, to running store. And because it's Monday and generally Sunday is the day when I do a long run. So I did 37k yesterday. So Monday is mostly day off, so the only thing I will do from the training perspective is just bike here and back, but that's more like the active recovery for me. It's not really the workout. And yeah, so Monday is pretty chill day from the training perspective, but I have like 2 morning sessions here, then I will be 6 hours in running store, then I will have school at night, so it's a pretty long day. So that's also, I don't have a time to train Monday, so that's why I have day off from the training. And yeah, then Tuesday, that's where I will run again in the morning, probably something like tempo session, but we will see Tuesday. See you tomorrow. So on Tuesday, firstly I had an online session with my client, and after that I decided to study instead of the training, because I believe it's not just about the physical training, but also I want to master the game and I want to have as much knowledge as I can, so then I can do actually a better decision. And also because I'm a trainer, I need to study and be on top of my game to then deliver better results to my clients. Wednesday 2 p.m. so I did the same as Monday, 2 sessions in the F45 gym, and then I went back home. And I also supposed to have noon session, but it was cancelled, which means that I have more time for my training. So right now I'm heading to the gym to do the tempo running workout on the treadmill, and that's probably going to be the last hard-ish workout before my marathon in 2 weeks and couple days. So we will see how that's going to work out for me, but yeah, it's unusual to that I have more time like this, so I'm very grateful for that. And that's also why you need to be flexible with your training and scheduling and everything, because you never know what's gonna happen. Like today I have more time, but sometimes I can have less time than I was expected. So yeah, you need to be flexible, and that's going to hand with, if you have a knowledge, if you understand what you're doing, then you can actually be flexible, because you know that you can change a little things there and here, and then you can still have the same adaptation or same results as you wish to have. So yeah, let's smash today's workout. Happy Friday, Easter holidays. 3 sessions done. Now it's time to go back home and go to the gym, do a strength session and also some running. And that's a wrap up of the Friday. Another day and then weekend, work again. Even if it's holiday, still working, baby. Still working. We need those money. See ya tomorrow. And that's it, the whole week. It's Sunday, 1 p.m. I finished my workout and I will just rest for the rest of the day. I'm not going to run today because I don't feel like it's going to be the smartest way to do, so I will rest. I feel like I need it. I feel like I'm not just physically but also mentally tired. And when you feel something like that, you know that you need to rest. And you need to recharge mentally as well. So I will read a book, I will watch some movie, probably something like that, just really recharge the mind. And yeah, and I can start next week again with everything. So even if you have 1 or 2 jobs and also school, you can still find the time. It's not even the issue with the time, it's more about the energy, the mental and physical energy, because you can be tired after the whole day, and then to also go train. It's not easy. I know it's not easy, but that's why you need to have a goal or goals. You need to plan ahead. You need to schedule everything. You need to have a good time management. Only with that, only with those skills, you can achieve your goal, because you will always find the excuse why not to train. And I get it that you're tired after all day in the work and after school or whatever you have. I get it. I've been there, done that, and I'm there actually still. So I understand, and it's not always easy. It's not. And yeah, you will have setbacks, you will have doubts, you will feel the pain and fear, and you will think if it's if it makes sense even to continue with all of that. And it does. It really does. I know that sometimes you cannot see that in that moment, but you need to see the forest instead of just the trees in front of you. Am I clear? You need to see the bigger picture. You need to know your why you do what you do, and why you want what you claim that you want, and what's your purpose. Because it's different between desire and purpose. Desire is more like selfish thing you want to achieve just for you, for like self gratification. But the purpose, that's more real and deeper. That's really like you want to something, not just for you, but you're doing that for someone else or for something else. Maybe you want to inspire someone else, maybe you want to help, maybe, I don't know, it can be anything. But you need to think about your why you're doing the things you do, and why you want to be better at them. And when you will know your why, and it's going to be real and strong and honest why, then all of that will make more sense. And even if you won't have any motivation, even if you won't feel it, you will still continue, you will still stand up, you will still keep going, because you know that you need to go step by step with the patience, and you need to follow your heart, and you need to do that, because your why is stronger than anything else. Your why is stronger than pain and fear and doubts and anxiety and all of that shit. Your why, it's why you do things. So think about your why, write it down, see that every day, and really believe in that, and you will create that energy in your body and your mind and around you. And then consistently, day by day, step by step, you will achieve that. I believe in you, and you need to believe in yourself. So thank you guys for the watching, and see you in the another video very soon. Bye.